Today we are going to show you the proper method on how to replace a Gen 2 control box cover. Suggested tools needed will include a screwdriver and rubber mallet. Before performing any service, always use PPE gear and appropriate lockout tagout device or devices. Now, open the control box, disconnect the wire harness, and use a rubber mallet to remove the cover. Reinstall the new cover and over-rotate it as shown, top and bottom. Reconnect the wire harness, close and secure the door, reapply power.